Hey guys, welcome back to Living Life 365. I'm just going to do a quick polish here just because you guys don't notice it here now without the light, but I'll show you really quickly. And all these items here, I'll have links in the description as well in the video. So if you look closely, looks black until you see the sunlight or the light itself. But look at all those swirl marks. It's ridiculously scratched from the previous owner. But what I'll be doing is doing a quick polish. It's going to be a ceramic polish today. And the products I'll be using here is going to be the hybrid solutions from Turtle Wax, ceramic polish and wax. Really quick, so it is a polish. It doesn't cut much, but it is going to take out some of the swirls. I already tried it on the other side, so you just need to mix it. A few other things you'll need, I already taped it up as you can see. I used an isopropyl alcohol to clean it up, so there's no wax or contaminants right now. I didn't clay bar it. It wasn't really that contaminated. I'll be using that. And my handy dandy ryobi drill here that I got from Home Depot. Your DA, so dual action power system for Meguiar's. You can pick that up at Canadian Tire. And their polishing pad. So all we'll really need to do, shake this up a little bit. A little splatter there, but a few dabs. Just a little less than dime size because this is going to be just a quick clean here. So I'm gonna spread it out. So just dab it. Again, I taped around it. You don't, just make sure when you're taping it's because you're protecting the parts around it. Glass is pretty hardy, so you don't need to really protect it, but I just did for showing purposes. So after you spread it, just do a little low speed on the drill just to spread it out a little bit. Again, do your 50-50 overlap. I'm just doing up and down, not applying much pressure at all. I'm just going to let the polish do its work. Once it's spread out, speed it up. Again, not much pressure on, but you want to apply even pressure. One more go. So once that's done, all you'll have to do now is just get a microfiber cloth here. Clean. I picked it up from Canadian Tire. You can get like a 20 pack for really cheap as well. I'll take that extra polish out. But again, this is a polish and ceramic coating. It's hybrid ceramic, so it's not full ceramic, but it really looks a lot better here. Just get into that little crack in there. So once we wipe that, looks black just like before. Now I'm going to use an isopropyl alcohol. I already mixed it here as well. Mine's about 12% IPA solution. So let's wipe it up, let it dry a little bit, and then we're going to see a bit of difference, or a day and night difference. You could still go on with a finer polish. I do have a CarPro Fine Reflect one, but for just quick purposes, we're just going to show what it did, okay? And let's see the big difference here. You'll see a little bit of a buff it out a little bit, but look at that compared to before. That is a day and night difference. You can't even really see much of the swirls. And there you go, quick polish. Have a good day. Take care.